Ah, big bro, what's up? What's up? I'm good. You are good. And I'm here sitting under a tree. I'm cool. We are not in school today. What's the problem?
See, you can't understand.
Understand what? See, you missed a lot. School was so fun today. And I'm here sitting under a tree, lonely. This morning,
This book is becoming so interesting every day.
What are you reading?
Oh, as you can see, I'm enjoying myself with this exercise book. Sorry, test book. It's like dictionary.
Are you aware the book is taught upside down?
Oh! Maybe it's network.
Wow, Joe, I'm hungry. My children are very hungry. And besides, we haven't eaten anything since morning.
It's only how to chop that you know. Running your mouth like a new motor saw. Hey!
Oh, Joe, why is it that it is only the time for bed? That's when you know you are the head of this family.
Should I go and be the tail? I'm the head of this family and I'll continue to be the head. Especially when it comes to that aspect.
Nothing will happen in this house. Nothing is going to happen in this house until you give me that money.
School petenya. Yeah? Give me a dirty slap now. Are you okay?
Papa, as you can see, you're ready for school.
Oh, you are ready for school?
Yes, Papa.
Where's your bed?
Oh, I forgot.
You are a fool. You don't need to stay there. And where do you say you are going to?
School, Papa.
You are a fool. And you?
School, Papa.
Very good. Your head is not correct. I believe I have not paid your school fees.
No, Papa.
And I'm not going to pay. Maybe the next future or the next generation, I'll pay it.
Mama, let me talk to Papa now.
Shut up and listen to your father.
Very good. I'm talking, you are interrupting me. Where did I stop?
You send my school fees.
I'm not going to pay it. Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
Very good. You see those two of them? Go and market them for me. Nonsense. Ah, you come. Drop that. Come. Use your head to touch it.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Child!
That's very bad of your parents. They are abusing you instead of them to take good care of you. Is that the reason why you are sitting under a tree and you did not come to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry, everything will be fine. Come, let's go.
Go.
Don't worry, come, let's go. When you get there, you will know.
As you can see, I'm comfortable here.
Life is all about surprises. Follow me and come. Let's go and enjoy it. Come.
Hey, Smoke. Who is leading?
Smoke.
I need my commission from that game.
Okay, boss.
Respect to the loyal one.
Hi, babe. What's the update?
Hello,
Who is this bonus mark that you brought to our ground? Who is this?
it was my guy. I didn't pick can deal with me.
This Lemotio, this Coco.
I beg go Michelle, man, not be me you want to.
Baba, let's go.
Who is this guy?
It's my friend. I just pick him from the streets.
Oh, you pick him from the streets.
Yes, sir.
Do you think this is pick and win promo?
No.
You don't just go outside and start picking.
Sorry, boss.
You pick tactically. That is what we do here. Where are you heading to?
I'm going to school.
So what are you doing on ground?
Sir, you don't understand.
Oh, me boss, I can't understand. You want me to go and move your parents at home?
That's Wally.
Do you know what? We can comfort you actually. Take him to one corner and comfort this boy.
now, I don't need this. What do you need?